Salut zusammen und herzlich willkommen zurück zu GTA5. Wir sind hier mit dem Trevor gerade in Los Santos angekommen und haben jetzt die Möglichkeit, auch mal ein bisschen Los Santos erkundschaften mit Trevor schlussendlich. Jetzt heisst es, können wir wieder zum Michael switchen? Ja, das geht jetzt wieder. Dann machen wir doch mal. Wir gehen jetzt mal zum Michael. Der wird wahrscheinlich daheim sein und dann können wir gerade die Mission starten. Oder vielleicht startet sie sogar schon automatisch. Es ist jetzt einmal plötzlich hell.
Oh, fuck is this shit?
Is that yours?
Of course not.
I have only got myself to blame for the mess these kids are in. You are either drunk, or you're staring miserably at the clouds, or you're out there doing God only knows what.
Oh, yeah. I done horrible by you. Pulled you out of a Midwestern trailer park. Got you a big mansion in Rockford Hills. Hell, the only thing you gotta worry about anymore is what part of your body you want to have chopped off or sucked out again.
Screw you, Michael.
Ah, but you won't.
I was faithful to you up until I found you in a stripper. I would divorce your ass if I could. You are nothing but a murdering, cheating hypocrite. Thank you, Michael, whatever the fuck our fake last name is. You have ruined my serenity yet again. My yoga is fucked.
Oh, is that what they're calling it now? You and your fucking yoga.
Did someone say yoga?
Oh, hello, Fabian, darling.
Namaste.
Namaste.
You must be Mikael. Namaste.
Nah, go fuck yourself.
Michael!
You've got to work on your anger, brother. It's killing you.
Yeah, tell me about it. Ah, there you are, you little shit. Are you looking for this? No.
Very funny. You know, you're a real asshole.
What did you just fucking say to me?
Stop it! You're ruining my fucking yoga!
Somebody say yoga?
Trevor?
Michael.
Hey. It's good to see you, man.
Yeah, I bet it is. Of course, I'm not the one that's been resurrected. Ain't this grand?
Yeah, well, I got in a bit of an awkward situation.
You're telling me, bro. Yeah. One of those fake your own deaths to your best buddy, and then run off with the dough, and then live in a big mansion. Awkward situations.
It's one way of looking at it.
Yeah, do you have any other ways of looking at it? Because I am all out.
It was a long time ago, man. I've been in witness protection. I still am.
That's great. That's great. I'm sorry. Where are my manners, right? Amanda, it is good to see you. Oh, I missed you. You used to be fatter. Nice new tits, by the way. Jimmy, you used to be thinner, but can't blame you. Who are you?
Namaste. I'm Fabian.
Good Lord. Where's Tracy?
Where's your sister, Jim?
She's trying out for TV.
She's what?
Yeah, she's auditioning for Fame or Shame.
Fame or shame?
The fuck are you talking about?
You know, it's that talent/skills show. She loves it, you guys know that.
What's her talent?
Dancing.
Oh, Christ, she's a horrible dancer.
Michael!
She might disagree with you on that.
Jesus Christ, what, now? Now? Where?
The Maze Bank Arena.
Oh, little Tracy being humiliated. Let's go, we go get her.
We?
Yeah, we. What, are you gonna stand here and argue while your daughter becomes a national laughingstock? Huh? You're worse than I thought. Now let's go, come on!
All right.
Come on, you dipshit. Ah, that host, man, he's like any closeted TV presenter. Bitter as fucking vinegar.
Where the fuck are they?
Hello, sir. May I please have your names?
Where the fuck is Tracy Townley, huh? Tracy fucking DeSanta. Fuck, screw this. Where the fuck's Laszlo? It doesn't matter. Please be quiet. You're gonna be just as good then as
All right. Yeah. That was really good. All right. It's the auditions, Fame or Shame, season 14, right here in Vinewood, San Andreas. Coming up next, it's Tracy DeSanta. Judges, Tracy DeSanta. Yes.
Hi.
All right. Tracy's a dancer, but she also likes acting, modeling, and working with children. That's beautiful. You're so original, like a basket full of puppies or a rainbow or a pile of puke.
Oh.
Who are these clowns?
That's my dad and Trevor?
Two dads. Great.
Wow.
Very San Andreas.
What are you guys doing here?
Yeah, what are you doing here?
Okay, I'm back.
Relax, chill, make yourself at home. We've got a little show to do here.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. All right, it's Fame or Shame for Tracy DeSanta. Music! Yeah. Shake what your daddies gave you, honey. Get down. Stuff a 20 in this.
Oh!
fucking do something about this?
All right, that's enough.
Oh! I said that's enough! Hey, I got security! Security!
What'd you fucking
Hold it,
say?
come on, big guy! Come on there! Come on!
No!
Come here, you little shit!
Go home right now, Tracy. I just wanna talk to you.
Der Trevor, ey. Einfach so mit dem Stuhl die ganze Zeit hinten am Warten gewesen.
They towed us. We gotta take the truck.
There, we take the truck.
Kann man denn da... Leider nicht. Ich wollte schon schauen, wie ich rausreißen kann. Geht aber nicht.
On that truck. Let's get that prick.
I saw him turn left.
How can you sit there and watch your daughter get treated like that?
Hey, you raise a daughter in this town, you get used to stunts.
It's poor parenting.
Yeah, thanks for the fucking feedback. It means a lot coming from you.
No one's getting in the way of the big rig. We'll flatten this dick.
Wow, jetzt ist er ganz schneller.
Fucking Laszlo. I knew he was an asshole.
Muss ich wieder
Just push
ausschalten?
him off the fucking road. It's only a bad
Nein, ich kann ihn nicht einholen, das ist wieder Schletzgummi.
This ain't exactly
Hasse da, ey.
He went left. The little bastard's going into the train tracks. We can have a little fun with it.
Wow.
But let's not try to kill this prick, all right?
When we crush his little toy car, who knows what'll happen to him?
Look, he went left.
I knew
Geht noch Uhr ab, das Elektroauto, das er hat, Mann. Ich mag ihn gar nicht nachher.
Can we speed it up a little? Huh?
maybe by throwing your fat carcass over the side.
It's gone round to the right.
Wow, was war jetzt das gewesen? Das Auto. Krass. Da hat er mich weggetragen.
Look, you went right. Can't get enough of the celebrities, can you? 10 fucking minutes in LA.
Shut up!
Wow. Ja, scheiße, ich habe gemeint, ich fahre dort noch ins Mäuerlein und dann tut es mich so stoppen, darum bin ich voll auf diese gegangen, aber hätte ich gar nicht müssen.
We'll get him! We'll get him!
Well, we're sure taking our time about it.
Hat er das kesselt nur, aber ich sehe gar keine Autos.
He's going down into the LS River.
I can see that. I hate that closeted man whore
Wow.
on TV. I hate
hate him on the radio, I hate him even more in person. He was never funny.
Ah.
The little shit's all out of juice.
Hey, guys.
You run out of batteries, huh?
I didn't mean anything by it, all right?
Oh, yeah? Well, that little girl sat on my lap when she was 2 years old, and I swore to God that I would rip the fucking skin off anyone who fucking wronged her.
Look, I'm just a dumb A-list celebrity trying to entertain America, okay? I got a lot of stuff going on right now, dude, besides you trying to kill me. Now, I got multiple sexual harassment lawsuits, plus I'm an addict, all right? And I've relapsed. I can't stop jacking, dude. I jack it in traffic.
What's your talent, huh? I mean, aside from love and sex.
Dude, haven't you seen my show? It's not live, it's not funny. That's my genius. I got no fucking talent.
You clearly ain't being humble, T. You proved your point.
This is your daughter. You should be wanting to rip the fucking ponytail off the back of this guy's head. And you! Pants off.
Okay.
There you go. All right.
What are you doing?
Now, I want you to dance sexy, celebrity.
I mean, I need music or...
Are you trying to fucking annoy me, huh?
I'll dance.
Good. All right, now drop it like it's hot, all right? I want to see you get nice and low. Come on, lower, lower, come on.
Oh, please don't kill me, okay? I'm supposed to be on a magazine cover next week.
All right,
Please,
come on,
no.
get up. Take off. Go, now, before I change my mind.
I got it all on my camera, you fucking pussy. The world's gonna see your shit.
I'm going home.
How the fuck did you do it without me for 9 years, huh?
Oh, shit. Dave.
We need to talk.
I was about to tell you the same thing.
Okay. Meet me at Galileo Observatory as soon as you can get there.
Okay.
Gut, also dann ja, ist der Trevor wieder zurückgekommen nach Los Santos, beziehungsweise schon vorher schon in Los Santos, aber er hat jetzt noch Michael getroffen und wir haben jetzt Tracy müssen, sage jetzt mal in Anführungszeichen, retten. Und ja, da würde ich mal sagen, was es mit dieser Folge von GTA5. Wenn es euch gefallen hat, würde ich mich natürlich immer über eine Bewertung freuen, sowie auch über ein Abo, wenn ihr es noch nicht gemacht habt. Und dann würdet ihr das Video teilen und sonst sehen wir uns dann einfach im nächsten Teil wieder. Bis dahin sagen wir, macht's gut, schönes Tag noch und ciao!